My name is Mark Barker. I am a Senior Director of Services and Support at ePlus Technology.
Great. How long have you been using Faddom for?
Let's see, we go back about two and a half years now, since the early days.
Gotcha. Okay, so what was your biggest challenge before Faddom, and how did it help solve that?
So we use this product in a very unique way. We use it for onboarding customers or looking at migrations of our customers to different various end product solutions. So think cloud, think other DR, think disaster recovery as a service. And 2-3 years ago, we were using other products that had an intensive installation requirement of agents on every machine. You might collect the data once and then it's static and you don't have the ability to go back and change and manipulate that data. So for us, getting this installed was easier. Getting the data faster was obviously very important. And the nice, really added touch about it is the dynamic nature of it, so that when we set up a baseline, any changes in the environment get updated automatically, which is great.
Amazing. So how quickly were you able to see results after deploying Faddom?
So we see results within 24 hours for large environments. I mean, we can get it as quickly as an hour or two for smaller environments. So we were able to install and start immediately creating our maps and looking at the data, which is tremendous help for getting our customers onboarded and migrated faster.
Amazing. What is your favorite thing about Faddom? The thing you like most about Faddom?
So the ease of installation, the continuous improvement of the product very quickly. They take your requests and they act on them. They help you to really support the vast majority of all the products that are out there that you need to connect to, which is phenomenal.
Great. Okay, one last question. What would you say to other IT professionals that are considering using Faddom?
I would have to say, if you don't have the visibility into the infrastructure, if you aren't confident that you can take down a server without affecting negatively the rest, then you really need a product like Faddom in your environment for that purpose.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mark.
Totally.
And thank you guys for listening.